Bro kijing tip namta kijing merek marathon te kidon kijing merek marathon hapo east and west khas hill but south west khas hill hak arp khnai but life hoterik te kane ka bade hapo east and west khas hill kane namta ban rakhe kane ka swachhta hi seva kane ka garbage free run India swachhta run competition organized by district Swachh Bharat mission Eastern West Khas Hill district on 29 September te kan hapo eastern west kan day arp khnai September de fly starting from DC office Merang at 6:30 am sharp. Register yourself now by sending your name and any residual proof. Nakabas send nika kerteng but dekan gono lam nik epic dekan gono ka residual proof to WhatsApp number pranyo sopra nyawar naisan. Tegi badai na po Eastern West Khas Hill ladai kwa baneshmenta shusen iki kerteng but ki residual proof jumpi une WhatsApp number open to all male and female for resident of Eastern West Khas Hill district only. First prize na 1,000, second prize 1,000, third prize na khasan spa. Saka wepat kane kare po South West Khas Hill district. Yawan saka khasan kilometer Swachh run tarik kade live hope September arjar fulai. Registration sanshiteng formare drifting kane open to all shinrang kan thai. Prize ki nesh thok kai prize convention kan ru igen thero na hitui kai prize certificate shinrang ro kai prize certificate denam taki Shinrang bukan the under 12 first second third cash prize certificate jaka PHE office mau korwat sedang PHE campus Jakrem Sakwang Penden Sakwang district code pin code ha PHE office nam ta jikti bakamnya pila ban phone ni number pra not way saw are not ar khnai saw pra la ne khnai lai ndum riu san not saw riu shpo lapan long daga office jonga district Swachh Bharat mission South West Khas Hill Thang ne pada klam tho de kisha lang ya barok ne kisha tang na po South West Khas Hill district te ki bakwa ban yesi menta bakwa ban tip phila ban phone ni nomor kula dap ai na kini jum tip khule shubun